Hi friends, today I will talk about basketball, since it is my favorite sport, since childhood which I started practicing. The basketball was created by James Naismith, Canadian physical education teacher in 1891. Basketball is a team sport that can develop both indoor and outdoor, in which they set the 5-player age in the team to score points, also called basket or double and or triple, introducing a ball into a hoop placed 3.5 meters above the ground, from which hang a network which gives it basket.
It is played with two teams defined oriented for periods of 10 or 12 minutes each. At the end of the second quarter, a break may usually 15 to 20 minutes, depending championship regulation to which the party belongs.
Basketball was awarded as responsible to the need for any sport during the winter. James designed a set of 13 rules for the flagging sport. These are some.
Number 1. The ball may be thrown in any direction with one or both hands.
Number 2. The ball can be hit in any direction with one or both hands, but never with the face. Number 3. A player cannot run the ball. The player must throw it from where you take it. This will be all, good friends. I hope you like it. See bye.